Got myself a state park annual pass. In this video, I'm gonna cover how much I paid for it, why I bought it, wait and see how many parks it actually covers. It's actually quite impressive. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Stefan here with Bohemian Tales. And if you're new here, this is my self-built camper van, Ganapati, in which I travel, I take photos, I make videos, I do all this stuff for online media. I think I'm talking too much. Good to see you. Why did I buy this pass? That's because I use the state parks quite a bit to film this video, come down and relax and have an enjoyable time for $3 a day. However, I use them so much that they do have an annual pass. I figured I might as well get it. The lady at the booth was like, you come here so often, you better get that pass because it's gonna be much cheaper. After I did the math, I realized that I should have gotten it a long time ago. The pass is $55 per year, which is pretty awesome because sometimes when I'm in town, I'll use these parks like twice or 3 times a week. It adds up pretty quickly if it's $3. I bought it in Orange County, California, for some of you that you may not know, because my family lives here and I also work here. Yes, I do work. I don't just only make YouTube videos. At this point in time, YouTube is not paying me any money or anything like that. So I do work on the weekends. I'll use these parks to make the videos. That's why I got it. I also have the America the Beautiful pass, which doesn't work in the state parks. That's because these are federal and these are state parks. So they have their own different thing going on. This I also get every year and I think it's $80. This is good for pretty much everything else. If you need an adventure pass, this will work. For any national park, this will work. However, if you want to camp in a national park, I think you still have to pay the campground fees. I don't know if they cost a lot of money, but it doesn't cover camping fees. It covers just getting in the parks and stuff like that. However, it works for a lot of services which exist. It's not only for national parks. The Forest Service, which I use a lot, National Forests, US Army Corps of Engineers. Never used that. I looked it up once or twice and it didn't look like something that I wanted to go use. But, you know, I'll still give it a chance if I come across one. BLM land, obviously. National Park Service. I always forget what the difference is between the National Park Service and the Forest Service. Let me know in the comments below if you know what that is. Also, Bureau of Reclamation. I guess just another company. But it's a very good pass to get for me, for my lifestyle, because if you don't have this and you go to a national park, it's around like $30 give or take to get in. To go into 3 national parks, this already pays for itself. And there's like 2,000 plus parks that we have here in the United States, besides the other stuff like BLM land and National Forest and all that stuff. I hope this isn't too confusing. When I'm not in OC, I barely pay for camping. Bugs. I usually stay on BLM land or National Forest land. I rarely pay. In the last video that I made, I did pay like $24 for a campground. It was that week in California that got really hot and I stayed on BLM for a little bit, but then I wanted some shade, so I definitely went and paid $24, filled up my water, took a cold shower. They didn't have hot showers for some reason. That happens very rarely. I got the sheet right here. Let me see how many parks there are. It's 16 parks, 1/6. So that's amazing. To some of them I've been. I come to this one that I'm here a lot. I just change locations. But I've been to a few other ones that I have filmed at. One of them I filmed my van tour video. You can check that out if you want. I'll leave a link up here. I'm pretty stoked because I can spend my days in a park and then stealth camp at night. Oh, look at that. It's lunchtime. My favorite time of the day. Gotta make some food. You know it, it's taco time. I bought these tortillas. They're the king size. I'm not sure how I feel about them because I usually get the regular size, but I really wanted the yellow corn tortilla and this is the only size they had. They're not bad. I'm not really sure if I like them more than the other ones, but we're making tacos. I have so many ingredients in here, but they're gonna be big tacos with the big tortillas, so I think I'm gonna make just enough to be able to eat those 2 tacos. Got mushrooms, got avocado, got onion, got thyme, chickpeas, bell pepper, mixed greens, soy chorizo, and all the other stuff back there. And of course the tortillas grande. I got this dry spicy pepper. I'm about to like take a bite out of it. It's gonna be spicy. Ooh. I guess these tortillas are not so bad. This little walk right here is called the Story Walk, and basically if you see, there's like a bunch of placards and they each have a story. When you keep on walking, they have more stories. I want to show you this view. This is the same park that I was in, by the way. I just moved just so I can take a few different shots of the park. That's a campground that this park also has that I actually did stay down there. It's not super expensive. I don't remember. I think it's like $25 a night. I didn't like it very much because the sites are so close that you basically don't have any privacy. I guess that was a bobcat that I just saw. Supposedly he's really friendly. Some other locals here have seen him before. Before I could get super close, he kind of took off. If you like this lifestyle, check out this video up here. Click that like button. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.